Logan, can you do any tricks? Can you go?
He was laughing at Pepsi.
Can you go? Can you do any tricks?
I think you're just going to have to go in the bathroom.
Maybe he's eating good, isn't he?
He's starving, yeah.
That little boy, it did him good to go to that garden and
They
visit.
didn't eat much lunch, neither of them. What's the other
Zucchini bread.
Can you do any tricks? Can you do any tricks?
You got too big? There. It's too big.
Logan, can you go? He did it, didn't he?
Good for you.
Don't suck it down your throat.
No.
Are you eating good? Are you eating good, son? You're starving. Logan. 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 Take your papa. Take your papa. You're eating good. Look at you. Look at you. You're sure eating good.